What's going on, guys? Gonna be a quick video today. I am dropping off my 911 to finally get some suspension work done. We're gonna be installing the H&R Springs. It's gonna lower my car 1.2 inches. In my opinion, it's gonna be exactly what I need for the car to get that stance that I've been looking for. I'm gonna do some before and after photos so you can really get an idea of what the drop looks like on a 997.2. And yeah, it's gonna be a quicker video, but I think for a lot of guys, this is a common mod that they're looking to do, so hopefully this helps, but let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to be heading off to TKX Performance. This is an awesome shop located on Long Island in Huntington. I had them already balance my wheels before. They have a really nice shop. I'll do some video of some of the cool cars they got outside. And I apologize for my hair. I just watched one of the first clips back and saw what I looked like, and I looked like a crackhead. But don't rip on me too much. I did just wake up. Alright guys, we're going to head out to Starbucks. I need a cup of coffee because I look like shit and I'm tired. But I'm pumped to get this started. This makes me so nervous. So we are back. It's actually a few days later from when I dropped off the car to get the springs. They actually had issues with installing them because the car, you know, it is a few years old now, so some parts were seized on, so it took a little bit longer. But all in all, I mean, I'm super happy with the stance. I think it just fills out the gap really well. It's not like Hot Boy style where it's absolutely slammed, but you can see, you know, the gap is pretty much gone. I can't really even fit, you know, I can't fit two fingers under there anymore. It's just about one. So super happy with it. It was I guess it was somewhat expensive to get the springs installed. And a wheel alignment was $1,000. But you know, I think it really completes the look of the car, and I'm super happy with it. But that's going to be it, guys. Shorter video, but just kind of an update of where my car is at right now. And you know, I just want to thank TKX Performance on Long Island in Huntington for hooking up my car with the spring install and doing a great job. And yeah, that's really it, guys. Do me a favor, if you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you like watches and cars. Until next time, take it easy.